Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2021 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, speed control, fog lamps, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, backup camera. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.